To transfer a data from or to your USB drive in OnePlus 13, first we need to open a My Files app, and you should be able to find it somewhere on the home screen or on the app drawer right here. When you open it, then you can see your device storage and OTG, or the name of your pen drive. And if you want to transfer files from your device to the pen drive, then you can open device storage and select the specific files, like the downloads right here. We can click and hold them and then move those files to our OTG drive right here. So now it's copied to my OTG. And now if you want to do it from your pen drive, you can open a pen drive file right here and then again select the files, and the same way move them to your device storage right here. And that is basically everything.